Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learner AK. Today we learn about NDA laser. This is the important topic of PG semester 1. Semester 1 friends. This is the quantum mechanics of and laser physics. Let's start now friends. NDA laser. The solid state laser in which NDA is used to a long lasing medium is known as neodymium doped garnet. Aluminium garnet. NDA laser. Four level laser system. The laser operate both in pulse and continuous mode. NDA lasers generate light of wavelength 1.06 micrometer of laser operation. This is the construction figure, friend. This is very important figure for this topic. 100% reflecting mirror, partially reflecting mirror, M1 and M2, inlet cold air, outlet hot air. This is the capacitor, power supply, elliptical cavity. Now, friends, and a crystal edge rod is about 10 centimeter long, 6 to 9 centimeter diameter. It is in the form of egg doped by ND due to doping alterium ions gets replaced by neodymium Nd3 plus ions. The combination of Nd is used as laser medium, gain medium, or active medium. Flash tube, xenon, and krypton and laser devices are used as pumping source which connected to a power supply battery, resistant and capacitance. Mirror M1 and M2 held parallel to each other. M1 is 100% reflecting, M2 partially reflecting, 90% reflecting, and 10% transmitting. This is the working and energy diagram, friends. This is most important figure. You can drive, friends. This is the level E1, E2, E3, E4, and E5. Non-radiative decay. This is the ground state. Lower lasing action, non-radiative decay. Now, friends, energy level diagram and the egg laser. These energy level are Nd3 plus ions. First number. When the krypton plus lamp is switched on, then by absorption of light radiation of wavelengths 800 8000 Armstrong and 7400 Armstrong Nd3 plus ions are raised from ground energy level E1 to upper energy levels E2 and E3 respectively is equal to Hc by lambda. And second, the Nd3 plus ions makes non-radiative transition from E2 and E3 to metastable state E4. Third, the Nd3 plus ions are collected in the level E4 and population inversion is achieved between E4 and E5. 4. A Nd3 plus ions makes a spontaneous transition from E4 to E5 emitting a photon to energy h mu is equal to E4 minus E5. The emitting photon will trigger a chain of stimulated photon between E4 and E5. 5 number. The photon generated travel back and forth between two mirrors. After some time, the photon number multiplies more rapidly. 6. After enough strength at and on the instance laser light of wavelength 10,106 micrometer emitted through partially reflecting mirror M2. Advantage. First, it offers high energy output. Second, low power consumption. Third, it has good thermal properties. 4. It has good mechanical proton. 5. The efficiency of anti-egg laser is very high as compared to ruby laser. Disadvantage. First, electron energy level structure of Nd3 plus ion in egg crystal is complex. Second disadvantage, it is not ideal to be used for material which have non-durable thickness. Thank you friends. We meet in next video.